So we're picking up our raisin. And we're being very interested in the raisin, turning it around, looking at the colours, the lines. Feel it with your fingers. Maybe give it a little squeeze. See how that feels, the texture. And then seeing if you can smell anything. And noticing if your mind is thinking, I'm ready to eat this now. And then placing that on your tongue. And without biting, just feel what that feels like on your tongue. And then gently move the tongue around. See if you can feel the lines. Noticing any tastes. And when you're ready, taking a little bite. Noticing any change in the flavour. And continue to bite. Observing any sounds you can hear. Any tastes. And when you swallow, just really observing the sound and the feel down the throat. As the raisin comes down the esophagus. And taking a moment to sit. And just observe this moment.